In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chart of accounts in Xero. Your chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping in Xero. It's basically the list of all the accounts you use to track what you own, what you owe, what you earn, and what you spend. Getting this structure right from the start will make your reporting, tax time, and day-to-day bookkeeping much easier. First, log into your Xero account and look at the main menu bar at the top of the screen. Start by clicking on the Accounting tab. This is where Xero keeps all the tools related to your financial records, like reports, bank accounts, and of course, your chart of accounts. From the Accounting menu, select Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of accounts currently set up in your organization. Xero usually comes with a default set, but you'll often want to customize it to match how your business actually operates. On this page, you'll see an option to add a new account. Click on Add Account. This is what you'll use when you want to track something specific, like a new type of income, an expense category, or a special asset or liability. A form will appear where you can fill in the details of the account. Take your time here. Choose the correct account type, such as revenue, expense, asset, liability, or equity. Then give the account a clear, descriptive name so anyone looking at your accounts understands what it's for. You may also have an account code field. Using a logical numbering system can help keep things organized. If there's a description box, use it to explain how and when this account should be used. That little bit of extra detail can prevent confusion later, especially if multiple people are entering transactions. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and you've double-checked that the account type and name make sense, scroll down and click Save. Xero will add this new account to your chart of accounts, and it will now be available when you're coding transactions, creating invoices, or entering bills. You'll also notice options to add a bank account from this area. Use that when you want to connect or manually create actual bank, credit card, or payment accounts that you reconcile against statements. Finally, if you already have a chart of accounts in a spreadsheet or from another system, you can use the import option. This lets you upload multiple accounts in one go, which can save a lot of time during your initial setup or when you're restructuring. And that's how you set up and customize your chart of accounts in Xero.